Hello friend, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to earn money from typing. So let me see this in my computer screen. So my number one website is Babble-type. So I will go to again Google Chrome. Then I will click here and then will type here the Babble-type. Then I will click on this website. Then you see here your website get open like this over here. Then you can give a transcript. When you go for the transcript, you can see here you have to transcript what you want. Okay, you can contact us. What are the service they are? You should they offer you transcript, translation, content analysis, optional, custom needs, service facts. They are typing related work they are offering you. Okay, then you can see about us, why Babel, what is management of the Babel. They are about their website are show over here. Then community they are also show, contact us. So I will go to your contact us option over here, and then you see here what applying work for. You can apply work from here. You can click, when you click here, you can apply for here. You see here the website get like this. Okay, you can apply work from here. So okay, so I will go to contact us again, and then you see here transcript, or you have to get the, you see here this is a mail. You can type the mail to that person, and you can also contact from them, and whatever they are work should give, they can give you here at a mail. Okay, you see the client's business our telephone. You can also contact from telephone, and then you can also send a mail. You can also send a fax also. Like that you can contact from them, and you can also get a good amount of income using the particular website, and you will get the work from typing, and you can also earn the certain income. And number second, my website is Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing website, so you can also earn this kind of income using Upwork or using this freelancing work also. So I will go here again Upwork. I will type Upwork over here. Then I will enter it. Again, you see here, this is the first website get. I will click on this website. You see here, and I will log in over here. Then I will continue with Google Chrome over here. Then I will write my mail, then password. Okay, you see here your profile, my profile get open over here. Then I will go for here and I will type here typing jobs. Okay, job. Then I will enter it. Then you see here LinkedIn micro influencer identification specialist. You see here how much hourly will get $3 to $5 hourly basis. Then you can see a participation science and body quiz type. You will get the $5. Then video editor YouTube channel, so you will get the $1,500 estimated budget. You see here. Okay, you can get, suppose I like the one screenwriter or script writer need a topic for games and tools. So I will click here suppose, and then you can apply from here. You will get all this kind of skill. What are skill required for that? You will get over here. You get the detail, all the details. You get the $25 per fixed price is there. So it is the best from you, and you can apply from now button. Apply now button. You can also apply from here. And when you apply it, you will get all the details into a mail, and you can also work it, and then you can send the file to this mail. Okay, so this is the second way you can earn from this kind of job and from this particular website. Okay, then my third website is Daily Transcriptions. Daily Transcriptions is the best website for the earning money from typing. I will go again over here. Then I will type here Daily Transcriptions. Then I will enter it. When I click over here, I will click this website. then your website get open like this. Okay, then you see here client service get started. If you want to get started the work from client to get started, I will go here and new client company or new client forum for the individuals. So whatever you want, you can also click here and you can get the work from here. Okay, when you go for the pricing option, you can see the pricing options. For a 5 days of work, you will get the $95. Okay, for the 3 days of work, you will get the $1.10. Then all 1 hour for work is $25. Okay, you see here. Then you can see here academic and market research. What kind of service you have to offer them? Academic and market research as a broadcast scripts, audio descriptions, audio transcription services, closed captions, continuity list, corporation transcription, dialogue list, government transcription. These are all show over here. Then when you go for the client services, you can go upload the media, then get the codes from here, like that. On work, when you go here, our work, which kind of work they are doing in certain, you see here, these are of work are show over here. Okay, sample documentation from, suppose I want to sample documents, sample docs, you see here. You see the sample docs are show over. You see that you see here. Here the sample docs are show over. You see here. Okay, like that you have to give the work to that particular person. Okay, when you want for that, you can get started over here and then you can click over here. Okay, I will new client form for the individual. So you give here. Okay, I will click here and then you have to fill up this kind of forms and then okay, you see here this kind of form and then you have to submit it. After submit all these details, then you can get the work from that website. Okay, so these are the third website. You can also earn certain income from this website. Okay, my number fourth website is Micro Worker. Micro Worker is the best platform for earning money online using typing basis. So I will go here, micro workers. Okay, then I will click here register in micro work and start earning from Microsoft. So I will click here. You should have to first type your name, middle name, last name, gender, company name, birth date, then email, passwords, then address line 1 to cities, then state, region, country. Then you have to escape all this content and you have to submit it. After submit it, you have to email verification also there. You have to verify your email and you have to go to that email and open the email and you have to verify your email. After email get verification, you will get the work from this Micro Worker website also. So this is the fourth way and best way you can start to earn money from this website. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.